This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. End-unit condo in Harbor Walk with fresh paint and new flooring, updated kitchen, and refreshed bathrooms. One-level floor plan with large great room and separate dining room, could also be used as home office, private primary bedroom with large walk-in closet and private bath with dual vanities, garden tub, and separate shower. Patio area and attached garage. Community amenities include pool, clubhouse, fitness room, kayak launch, and trails. Convenient to popular dining, beaches, Norfolk International, and Jeb Little Creek Fort Story. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.